Hi, I'm Adam. I lead the permanent hires desk here at Dental Elite, and I'd like to just talk about the recruitment process.
Well, I'm Julie Randle. I'm one of the senior practice valuers. Although I'm now a practice valuer with Dental Elite for over the last 5 years, my previous role, I was a practice manager for a large private practice in the Midlands. So from my point of view, I think one of the biggest headaches I have, or used to have, is recruitment really, and finding the right candidate. But the thing is, practice managers are often quite time poor, so they actually don't have the time to look on Indeed and navigate Indeed because it's pretty hard.
Yeah.
So if somebody could then help and take that headache away from me as a practice manager. So if I ring you up and sort of say, I need a dental nurse, which is the most common role that I think most practices are looking for, is what type of things do you need from a...
We would take all the stress away from you. That's what we do as recruiters. I've worked in recruitment for 10 years, so I know how to recruit, I know how to place people. And making sure that you have the time in the practice to make sure the practice runs properly. So we try and keep it as simple as possible. We'd have an initial discussion on your needs, what you need is from the practice, obviously the reason for the vacancy, how fast you want to recruit, everything like that. And then I would just send you across an email then to confirm everything. You'd then reply with what you need. And then I'll do the rest. So I would advertise the role. I'd speak to people in the local area. We'd put it obviously on our website. I would trawl through all the CVs.
Wow. It's amazing.
Which I know is, you know, can be quite time consuming. So I would do all of that. Obviously, we've got a full-time resourcer as well who would then find the best candidates for you. We would send the CVs across to you. You'd say yes or no. I'd then arrange with you the times that are free for you. I'd arrange the times for the candidate and set it all up, whether that's a phone call or even Teams. So I can put into your calendar, literally links into your calendar where you can just log on and the candidate will be there waiting. You can talk through. We'd then obviously get the feedback from you from the interviews, get the feedback from the candidates, and then if any of the candidates are successful, we'd make the offer, or you could make the offer. And yeah, we'd just try and take all that stress away from you and making sure that, you know, it's as easy as possible to place the best people in your practice.
I think that is amazing, because the biggest headache is doing all that and looking for the right skill set and things like that. So from start to finish, how long does it take to? I mean,
we can go as quick as you want. I've recruited just last week. I've recruited a dental nurse within 3 days. Sometimes quicker, but if you wanted to start in a couple of months, and that's fine. It's all down to what you need, whether it's, you know, you've got someone handed a notice and you've got a month, or whether it's someone's just left and I've got 3 days. Like, we will work as around you to suit your timescales really.
Perfect. It sounds absolutely ideal, really.
Yeah, well, that's the idea.
So I would say, you know, Dental Elite obviously are well known for the recruitment. So if anybody is thinking, just going back to my old practice management hat, is this would just make my life a dream for all managers and business owners and
well, hopefully, and you know, we work as partners with you, so we would be there for every vacancy you've got within a practice. We can work with you, and the benefit of using just one agency as well is that you've only got one contact. So you know, we're industry experts. We've got years and years of experience within both dentistry and recruitment. So combine those two things, we'll take all the stress away from you and making sure that you get the best people for your practice.
So it's a win-win.
Well, thanks for listening. If you're interested in hearing about our recruitment services, please reach out to me, Adam Neeves at Dental Elite.